So this is Little Picker. This is Big Picker. This is Little Router. This is Big Router. So why would I buy this little tiny toy router when I've got this big beefy router? Well, if you'd like to know, then keep watching. Welcome to Alley Picked. I picked up this new Ridgid compact router. This is my old Craftsman router. I'm not sure that the new one, smaller, compact, lightweight, can do everything that this can do, but we're going to give it a test. Not today. Today I'm just going to give you an unboxing review. Open up the package, see what comes with it, let you know what I think of it, the look, the feel, the warranty, that sort of thing. Let you know if I feel like I got a good deal. 99 bucks. So far, just to give you a little heads up, I like it. But let's dig into it and see what comes in the box. The model number on the box says R2401. The model I registered is 2401. That's because the Home Depot version adds a 2 at the end of the model number. I believe the models are the same, but it's possible that some of the parts may be different to satisfy any agreements between Ridgid and Home Depot. The box boasts of a lifetime service agreement. Free parts and service for life. However, if you don't register your router, you're going to only have a 3-year warranty. You'll need to register the receipt for the LSA. That's what it's referred to. It stands for Lifetime Service Agreement. And after registering it, you're going to get an email with the verification on the following day. It comes with this nice, sturdy, vinyl padded case. It measures 8 by 8.5 inches. I'll take everything out of the bag really fast, then I'll show you each of the components. Here's a bearing flush trim bit. It's got some protective wax which needs to be removed before use. This optional square sub base if you want to replace the round one. Guide bars and locking wrench. Edge guide. Instructions are in English, French, and Spanish. And of course, the router itself. So now that I showed you what's inside the box, I wanted to tell you exactly why I bought this particular model and what I'm going to be using it for. 2 words: sign carving. I've always wanted to learn how to do sign carving. A few years ago I was at this craft show and this guy was carving wood signs for people and there was a long line. He would carve their names in it or something that they wanted, a phrase. He would charge by the letter. But he was doing a bang-up business. And ever since I saw that, I've always wanted to learn how to do that technique. So when I picked up this barnwood at a garage sale over the summer, I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to learn how to do my own sign carving. So I'm going to be carving up these signs and make some really cool projects for some upcoming videos. Now, if you want to be notified when I upload those, be sure to subscribe to Alley Picked and click on that bell. That way, as soon as I upload it, you'll get a notification. All right, why did I choose this particular model? Well, the main reason was that it was recommended by Dave Roten. Now, if you're not familiar with Dave, he's got a great YouTube channel. You could search on his name. And he's got hundreds of videos. You can learn every aspect of wood sign carving. One of the reasons he recommends this model is because it's got a large opening on both sides. Now, when you're carving, dust is going to be flying everywhere, and you need a place for that to go. So some other models have this closed, but on this particular model, it's got this plastic cover. The plastic cover can be removed. Now you've got plenty of space for the sawdust to fly out. The other reason, on Dave's website, which is called, it's right here, www.makeawoodsign.com, he sells these base plates. Now these things are great. It replaces the base plate that already comes on it. Now, this gives you a lot more versatility, a lot more maneuverability when you're carving. I do like the look and feel of this router. The cutting depth is adjustable 2 ways. Large adjustments are made by unlocking this clasp, pressing this lever, and sliding the housing either up or down. Minor adjustments are made using this dial. Cutting bits are easily replaced by depressing this button to lock the chuck, then using the provided wrench to tighten or loosen. This 5.5 amp machine has adequate power and adjustable speeds from 20 to 30,000 RPM. And hopefully my favorable opinion doesn't change after I actually start using it. So keep an eye out for an upcoming video where I'm going to make a project that looks similar to this. Thanks for watching Alley Picked. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, I'll meet you in the alley.